At Avery Dennison, we follow a process or a product development of eco-design, and we have defined for our 2025 sustainability goals to have a range of products. Actually 70% of our product portfolio by 2025 should hit certain criteria, and that portfolio is called Clear Intent. The criteria as it needs to hit is responsible sourced, is reduced of intake into the product, or is recyclability enhanced or recyclable products. So in terms of the responsible sourced, we want to have 100% of our products certified. We are on a very good way there, and that is one of the efforts to have that kind of criteria. But we want to go a little bit further, and that is actually where we are reducing the intake of materials into our products. One of them is we have a thin range, which means really we are reducing the caliber of our products significantly. In line with that, we had to develop new adhesive, which is called ClearCut for filmic products, or TrueCut for paper products, which allows the same strength of an adhesive, but actually allows the thinner construction. And that was through new inventions we have launched into the market to really get this Clear Intent portfolio. The other one, and that is probably going forward one of the more important parts, is to have recycled content. So we are collecting now our liner back from an end user with a company called Cycle for Green, and that company allows actually to bring it then to paper manufacturers in Austria and repulp it, and those papers we take back as recycled papers for wine bottles as decoration material. So you have the full circular economy here. This year actually we launched our first recycled PET liner, where we take recycled PET and put it as a new liner in the product, and this will help to reduce massively the recycled PET capacities we have in the market, and therefore use it for new materials. We work with a lot of industry partners, with our customers, with end users, to get really together in terms of recollecting actually the byproducts of our labels. What we have as well with some associations, so PETCore, we're working together to get a clear understanding how we actually collect PET bottles. We're working in the US with APR, which is another association to help us really to find the right way of collecting PET bottles. And there are other players in the industry in terms of PET bottles. We're looking in paper collecting here, and that's Cycle for Green, where we work as a partner. But then we have some other completely different partners, so like ocean cleanup, where we sponsor the activities, which I think is a great undertaking to really clean up the oceans, to get as much of the plastic soup out of the oceans. And so these are certain elements. But then we're looking as well at some other partners like the WWF to sponsor here and work together in more sustainable solutions going forward. So you see a breadth of partners we can work together, and we are open to more partnerships and to look how we can make a better impact on the environment, or actually be neutral in terms of the impact to the environment.